tall Klapper hall. We have a humongous elevator here. Exposed. Where are you going?
6th floor.
Thank you. See if I can get you up. Apparently one's already selected. Yeah, we're going down. Williams elevator. Oh, where are you going? 4. 4? Good motor. I think there's some weird delay. Guess the indicator's stuck on 1. There you go. You have a good one. Let's actually get a look at this cab. It's a very narrow, like large but narrow elevator. Haven't seen anything like this shape before. The indicator's stuck on 1. It's a 7,000 pound capacity. It does have a phone. You got your GAL JetPlus fixtures. I have no idea where we are. Key required to operate elevator. I guess that's only for this side. Alright, let's see if we get a take of this motor. Alright, hopefully there are no calls. It's fine, the fan's on. I don't have that much time. Look how big that thing is. Thing is very long. There it goes, and that's it.